Let's learn about a Python while loop in this video. While loop in Python iterates till its condition becomes false. In other words, it executes a statement under itself while the condition it takes is true. When the program control reaches the while loop, the condition is checked. If the condition under is true, then the block of code will be executed. Remember, indentation plays a major role here. Like for all statements under the loop equally. Like after that, the condition is checked again. This continues until the condition becomes false. Well, let's take a look at one example. It will be very clear for you all. Let me take a variable called 3 and let me write the while condition a is greater than let me say 0. Okay, and indent, and the new line comes with a print function and say EA. Now if I execute directly, it's it's going to be an infinite loop because I'm not just giving anything here before this or above this. I just wanted to stop that infinite loop, so I just wanted to decrement the value here so that I'll get some values within the variable value 3. Now when I execute this, what do you think I will get here? I get 3q1. Let's learn about this, how it is going to get executed. Now I wanted to debug this program. Now initially it is 3, right? Now a is taken as 3, and now it checks a 3 is greater than 0, that means it's true. Now it prints 3 here, right? Now what is the value of a value is 2 here because 3 minus 1 becomes 2. Now when I run this, a becomes 2. 2 which is greater than 0, again it is true, and it goes to the next line and prints 2 here. You can see it in the bottom. Now the value of a is 2 here. Now if the original value of a should become 1, now a became 1 here. Now again it will check a is 1 is greater than 0. Yes, it is, and checks and it prints 1. All right, now this time a becomes 0 here. Now when a becomes 0, it checks again a is greater than 0. No, it's false. Now it comes out of the loop and executes these 3 values here. That's how it actually works. Now let us look at something which is infinite loop here. Now in this program, I just wanted to remove this condition which is a is equal to a minus 1, which I have decremented the value here. But let me tell you a few things here, like be careful while using the while loop, because if you forget to decrement the counter variable in Python, it will go false. In such case, the loop will run infinitely and the condition after the loop will stop. Now let's look at what is going to happen when I execute here. Now you can see here it's continuously running and it won't stop until we break. Let me write here a break so that I just wanted to stop the program here. So I just wanted to break. All right, now I just got 3 as an output because it checks 3 is greater than 0. Yes, it's true, and it prints 3 and it breaks here because I have written a condition called break. Let us also see another thing here, the else statement for while loop. Like a while loop may be having an else statement after it. When the condition becomes false, the block under the else statement is executed. So let's look at one example here. Let's just put the same thing here. This time I just wanted to use a is equal to a minus 1. Just wanted to break the loop at certain point and use else statement, right? and wanted to use the print function and say it's over. I can put anything here, right? Now when I execute, what do you think I'll get as an output? I'll get 3 2 1. We already seen how it is executed. Now once the statement goes false, like 0 is not greater than 0, so it just comes out of the loop and it just sees else statement and it just directly prints it's over. That's how it works actually. In this program, if we wanted to put a break keyword here, maybe I just wanted to say that, like, I just wanted to use a condition. If a is equal to 1, then I will just say break. Now how the output is going to look like? It's going to get 3 and 2. Like when I is equal to when 1 is equal to 1, then it just breaks the loop and it won't go further to the else statement. It just till finish it off at 2 by printing. All right, this is one another example I would like to look you at. Now I also wanted to talk about a single statement while. Like an if statement, if we have only one statement in while's body, we can write it in one line. Let's look at the example here. Now I just wanted to put the variable a is equal to 3 and use the while here and say that a condition while e is greater than 0, and just wanted to put the colon here. This time I don't want it to go into the next line because I just wanted to execute in a single line. So let's see how I can do it. I just wanted to put a semicolon here and decrement the a like we did in our earlier program, but this time we are writing it in the same line by separating with a semicolon here after the print statement. Now I must get the same output like I have got earlier. So this is another way of writing a single statement in while. Now you can see that there were two statements in while body, right? But we used semicolons to separate them. Without the second statement, it would form an infinite loop. Well, this is about a while loops. We'll see some more in the next video. Thank you.